Hello friends, this is Rashmi Singh. Welcome to my channel Unraveling Science. Solutions for our environment, class 10, chapter 13. In-text questions. Why are some substances biodegradable and some non-biodegradable? Biodegradable substances. Substances which can be acted upon by microorganisms or decomposers are called biodegradable. Example: vegetable waste, paper, cotton, etc. Non-biodegradable substances are the substances which are not acted upon by decomposers. Example: plastic, glass, polythene, etc. Give any two ways in which biodegradable substances would affect the environment. Biodegradable substances such as tree leaves, kitchen waste, plant parts can be used as humus after composting. This will enhance the soil fertility. Second, these substances mainly contain carbon. After decomposition, they release that carbon back into the atmosphere. Give any two ways in which non-biodegradable substances would affect the environment. Non-biodegradable substances causes water, air and soil pollution. They may cause biomagnification in the food chain, resulting in the end of humans. Fourth, what are the trophic levels? Give an example of food chain and state the different trophic levels in it. In a food chain, the transfer of food or energy takes place at various levels, and these levels are known as trophic levels. In the above food chain, carrot represents the first trophic level, rabbit represents the second trophic level, fox represents the third trophic level, and lion represents the fourth trophic level. Fifth, what is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? There are various roles of decomposers in the ecosystem. First, they act as a cleansing agent of the environment by decomposing the plants and animals. Second, they help in recycling nutrients. Third, they provide space for new beings in the biosphere by decomposing the dead. And fourth, they help in putting back the various elements into water, soil and air for the reuse of producers like crop plants. Sixth, what is ozone and how does it affect any ecosystem? Ozone is an isotope of oxygen. It is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen. At the higher levels of atmosphere, ozone performs an essential function. It shields the surface of the earth from ultraviolet radiation of the sun. These radiations are highly damaging to the organism. It can cause diseases like skin cancer, etc. Seventh, how can you help in reducing the problem of waste disposal? Give any two methods. To reduce the problem of waste disposal, following methods can be used. First, by separating the biodegradable substances from non-biodegradable substances. Second, by reducing, reusing and recycling the non-biodegradable substances. Back exercises. First, which of the following groups contain only biodegradable items? A. Grass, flowers and leather. B. Grass, wood and plastic. C. Fruit peels, cake and lime juice. And D. Cake, wood and grass. The correct options are A, C and D. All three are correct. Second, which of the following constitute a food chain? A. Grass, wheat and mango. B. Grass, goat and human. C. Goat, cow and elephant. Or D. Grass, fish and goat. The correct answer is B. Grass, goat and human. Third, which of the following are environment friendly practices? A. Carrying cloth bag to put purchases in while shopping. B. Switching off unnecessary lights and fan. C. Walking to school instead of getting your mother to drop you on her scooter. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Fourth, what will happen if we kill all the organism in one trophic level? If we kill all the organism in one trophic level, then the food chain would end and the ecological balance would be affected. If the herbivores are killed, then the carnivores will not be able to get food and die. If carnivores are killed, then the population of herbivores will increase to an unsustainable level. If producers are killed, then the nutrient cycle in the area would not be completed. Fifth, will the impact of removing all the organism in a trophic level will be different for different trophic levels? Can the organism of any trophic level be removed without causing any damage to the ecosystem? Yes, the impact of removing all the organism in the trophic level will be different for different trophic levels. For example, if all the producers are removed, there is chance of death or migration of primary consumers which will upset the trophic levels. This is same for all the levels. Therefore, the removal of organism at any level would upset the whole ecosystem as the food chain is disturbed and the survival of higher level animal is completely dependent on the animals at the lower levels. Sixth, what is biological magnification? Will the level of this magnification be different at different levels of ecosystem? The increase in the concentration of harmful chemical substances like pesticides in the body of living organism at each trophic level of a food chain is called biological magnification. Yes, levels of biological magnification would increase as the trophic levels increases and would be highest for the topmost trophic level. Seventh, what are the problems caused by the non-biodegradable waste that we generate? The problems caused by the non-biodegradable waste are: they cause biomagnification, they increase pollution, they make environment unclean, and they kill useful microorganisms. Eighth, if all the waste we generate is biodegradable, will this have no impact on the environment? If all the waste we generate is biodegradable, this will also have an impact on the environment. As the decomposition of biodegradable waste is slow, they produce an awful smell, and when inhaled by humans, it can be harmful. The dumping areas can be a place where harmful organisms may start to breed, which can be harmful to other living beings. Why is damage to the ozone layer a cause for concern? What steps have been taken to limit this damage? The damage to the ozone layer is a cause of concern because if ozone layer in the atmosphere disappears completely, then all the extremely harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun would reach the earth. It can cause diseases like skin cancer in human beings. It can result in the death of many phytoplanktons that leads to the increase of global warming. To limit this damage, many countries have signed and are obeying the directions of United Nations Environment Programme to freeze or limit the production of the usage of CFC chlorofluorocarbons. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.